Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. We are in the first week of May and today is a mail day. Let's go down to the mailbox and see what we got. Okay, we've got two packages. They were found at the front door. Sadly, there was no mail in the mailbox. So let's have a look at the big one first. It's a big box. Came from the States. Oh, actually no, this one came from Toronto. This is an eBay purchase. According to this, we've got some toners. It's for my Xerox Phaser 6280. Let's have a look. Individually wrapped. That's nice to see. Encore toner. Looks like yellow and black are low. Okay, up next, another very exciting package that I really have been looking forward to. This is from the Electronic Goldmine again. Let's have a look. This took a while to get here. Shipping costs are pretty high to come from the States. But you get some really good deals at the Electronic Goldmine. Okay, the package includes, let's have a look. says one miscellaneous. Oh, that was because they charged me extra shipping. First item, a plastic snifter bottle, quantity 2. We're going to do some camping this summer, and we may try our hand at gold mining. Second package, nicely wrapped. The gold mine always wraps her items nicely. Okay, we've got a grab bag of switches. We'll take a look at those in a second. Some knurled knobs. Capacitors for stock. Electrolytics. One unknown component. Take a look at that as well. Little tweezers, quantity 2. Some really cool little cable ties, very similar to the ones that I just recovered from the TV that I took apart. These appear to be probably transorbs, I would call them. These are the big things that I was looking for. Expensive, but very cool. This is an ultrasonic module, and apparently it has a really good range. As soon as I saw the video on the Goldmine site, I had to have these. This is going to get tied into my automation system, part of the security system. Let's have a look at it. Screws, instructions, and the device. Takes a 3.5mm jack, stereo, I assume power, ground, and probably signal. Cool. The Fultron, model 151250. As you can see, it's working rather well with this little beeper. Now, the electronic goldmine says to hook up the beeper to the LED, which I don't really agree with. It does have an electronic output. The electronic output is right down in here. They're strangely using a red wire for the output, a beige wire for +12. So now if we use a logic probe and we measure on the signal, which is actually this resistor right here, and then we make a motion, you can see that there's a pulse. Okay, let's give this precision resistor a try. G21520, quantity 1. Let's see what we've got. I've got my trusty Fluke 27 here. saying it is 2.001 meg. Negligible resistance in the leads. My new to me meter. .00. Oh, yep, 2.00 meg. That pretty much wraps it up. 2 boxes, but the second box had lots of stuff. I really enjoy online shopping at the Electronic Goldmine. Problem we have right now is the shipping cost from the States is very excessive. It's not their fault, but it is expensive. Add to that the exchange rate from Canadian pesos to American dollars, and I have a problem. The problem is, I probably won't be ordering again, sadly. Most of the items were just for stock. However, 2 were very interesting, and I'm glad I bought them. The first being the 2 mega ohm precision resistor. Pretty cool, allows you to test your meters to make sure that they're functional and within tolerance. The second item I was very interested in were the ultrasonic sonar sensors. While it's fairly easy to make one with an Arduino or an ESP8266, sometimes it's nice to have a pre-manufactured item in a nice little box that you can just screw on the wall and use it. I'm hoping to put these into my home automation system using Home Assistant. Check back next week for the details on that one. As always, thanks for watching my video. If you found it interesting, give me a thumbs up, maybe even hit the subscribe. Thank you.